Alrighty then. Here we are, one more day. It's the day after Thanksgiving, and I spent a lot of time on YouTube on Thanksgiving Day, and I have been just talking so much about my new venture with HEMPWORX that I just spent the whole evening just researching and checking out stuff about my sponsor, Mr. Stephen Rachel. So I'm going to give him a big applause for this program he got called Video Boss, and I'm just excited because I'm learning how to get on this camera. The video I'm doing today is better lighting than the one I did yesterday. Because after I reviewed it, I was like, man, but I didn't throw it away because I want to remember all of these moments. So when I get, I'm going to say real good, but when I get better and I'm being productive, then when I get on the air, I'll have a lot more confidence and I'll be more, I don't know, just just better all the way around. So that's where I'm at right now. And I'm looking forward to starting this program on Sunday. I believe we're going to start at 3 o'clock West Coast time. So if any of y'all out there, you know, looking at me, just know that I'm shouting out because Mr. Stephen Rachel is going to be teaching. So anyway, check out Video Boss. There should be some stuff on his page about it. And get enrolled for the program. It's Sunday. I think that's the 1st of December. And I went through the stuff last night. Uh, Not very expensive at all. But not going to try to talk about all of that. Just go check out my dude and support what we're doing. We're building a strong team. I'm really appreciative of his concepts, and I'm I believe in him enough to sign up with him, and I believe in him enough to follow his leadership. Just like when I get good at what I'm doing right now, somebody will follow my leadership because I'm taking the time to take all the steps so I can show everybody how I did it. And my age is not uh, something that can be a deficit in this scenario. You know, it's an asset because it'll show everybody that even a retired dude with that C word following him, you know, he can change his focus and do something like this. Yeah, I'm using that as my motivator because I'm trying to work on a legacy. I got 23 and a 24-year-old son that I would like to see have a better life than some of the things I went through. But at the same time, it ain't about them. Right now, this is about me getting off of welfare. You know, some people call it pension, some people call it Social Security, SSI. I call it welfare. So anyway, I thank God it was there because I really needed it when I was ill. But I'm feeling better, but not good enough to go out there and use my back like that. But the whole thing is I'm trying to do something with my mind and my time that will generate a decent lifestyle for not just me, but whoever that young lady is going to be in my life and my children and children's children and all of that program. But, you know, I'm not going to give up on life because somebody said, you know, this could happen. That's not going to happen if, you know, I play my part. seem to be trying to adjust to that right now. You know, I tell y'all all the time how I struggle with this whole get down of having to be walking away from cakes and pies. You know, I love peach cobbler. Oh my God. And pound cakes. But, you know, I thought I could eat all of that stuff for my whole life because I never had a real weight problem because, you know, got this genetic thing going on my dad and them gave me. So never really had a strong weight problem. I got a little beer belly one time, but that go away when I stop eating all kind of craziness. But I got real sick, and that beer belly turned into like my worst enemy, man. I was, I was like, I got to get rid of this, and I was just full of acid. I got very acidic, and I had to fix that. But I can't say I fixed it. I just, you know, I got a maintenance system that keeps me out of pain. I'm gonna say it like that, because if I don't do what I'm supposed to do, my body let me know that. I don't care if it's nothing but like not letting me get a good night rest. So I didn't really mean to switch lanes like that, but I do need this to stay what it really is, and that's like a channel that's gonna be committed to trying to motivate people to look at their diet and do better with that. Because I could talk about CBD, I could talk about, you know, dandelion greens, maca root, and chlorella, and spirulina, and you know, I can just name some, you know, great products to put in your body to keep you alkali, and you just have to keep cycling that in. It don't do nobody any good to have all of that information if they not going to apply some wisdom and use it. So that's what I do. I mean, I'm focused on the use of this information and everything that I'm learning about how to use the camera to get my point across is a great thing, you know, because I'm really trying to monetize this whole get down right here just for one specific reason. And that's so I can really enjoy this season. It's another season. It's a window. You know, look at this gray right here. This used to be black. I've been wearing this goatee for ever. I remember when it was straight black, you know, but still sporting it, you know. I like it. I still like it even gray. You know, somebody said, why don't you die? Nah, I ain't dying nothing, man. I'm wearing all 61 of these stripes. You know, I gotta wear them because I earned them. You know, my dad left out of here at 45 and I'm 61. You know, I ain't gonna say I'm smarter than my dad, but you know, I'm still here on earth enjoying some things. Now, if I get to the pyramid and all of them other spots that I like to go to, you know, I still ain't gonna compare my wisdom to his because, you know, I just can't do that. So that's like everybody trying to compare Mike and LeBron and Kobe and all them. Nah, you don't need to go like that. So I just want to do the best job I can in this whole brown suit God gave me. You know what I'm saying? Do the best job I can in this one. I really like to lay eyes on them pyramids though. So that's where I'm at. I'm almost done recording this video right now, but I just want everybody to know, have a great holiday season. And I'll probably see you again tomorrow, but I'm just saying that anyway, for those of you who might not tune in tomorrow. I'm getting off. Have a great night.